Come here, Chip Chip. Come here. Come here. Come on. One of you guys. Come here. That looks like Boomer. Is that you, Boomer? Is that you, Boomer? Hi, buddy. Yes, Boomer. Can't miss that little notch on the top of your head, man. You can eat it right there, Boomer. What am I going to do with you? Make it easier to carry? Get that one out. There. Want this one too? Look. Look, Boomer. Boomer. Here. Boomer almost fell down. Yeah, they're not the most coordinated animals. At least on a deck, anyway. They're good on trees and bushes and everything else, but fall off the steps.